court is inclined to direct for release of the juvenile from the place of safety. Mr.
Arya Chand. Arya Chand.
Heard Mr. Arya Chint, learned advocate for the juvenile petitioner and so and so for the state. The prayer for release of the juvenile was earlier rejected by this court by order dated 28/6/2021. The prayer for release has been renewed by the juvenile first of, by order dated 11/5/2022. This court directed the children court to ask for a fresh assessment report of the juvenile regarding his conduct for all this while in the place of safety, and an opinion whether it would be appropriate and safe for him to be released from the place of safety, to be released from the place of safety during the pendency of the trial. The report has been received and kept at Flag C. The report indicates that the juvenile has been a member of the cleanliness drive in the place of safety and has been following rules of institution and has obeyed the employees all the time. There has been no complaint against him regarding his conduct by the inmates. He has also participated positively in national and other festivals and has remained cooperative with regard to other inmates and displays an optimism towards future. Considering the aforesaid report and taking into account, you are in place of safety since when?
17/9/2020.
17/9?
20 months.
क्या लिखा है bro? Considering the aforesaid report of the considering the aforesaid assessment of the juvenile, taking the aforesaid report regarding the conduct of juvenile in the place of safety into account, and further taking into account that he has remained in place of safety since 19/9/2020.
17/9.
17/9/2020, and the trial has not yet been concluded. This court is inclined to direct for release of the juvenile from the place of safety. Let the juvenile be released from the place of safety on his father furnishing a bond in the sum of ₹10,000, two sureties of like amount, to the satisfaction of the superintendent, or to the satisfaction of the children court. The petition stands allowed accordingly.
Right.
Serial 6, Mr.
Just the father of the juvenile petitioner is, however, directed to keep a watch on the conduct of the juvenile and ensure his presence at the trial. While furnishing his bonds, the father of the juvenile petitioner shall provide his telephone number, mobile telephone number, and shall keep such number in operative condition till the conclusion of the trial. Should the father of the juvenile detect any sign of recidivism in his son, he ought to report the matter promptly to the officer in charge of the concerned police station. Yes.
Serial 6, Mr. Suman Kumar Jha.